Harbor Freight's going to be doing a 30% off deal coming up next weekend. It's going to be starting on 26th through the 28th. So it'll be good for ITC members on 5 items for $20 and less. And then non-members is going to be $10 and less, just like they've done before. So again, it's going to be the 26th through the 28th. And I'm going to go over some of the items you should consider. All right, first up, I'm going to recommend going for some car detailing products, especially if some of you guys loaded up recently during the recent parking lot sale where you saved 40% off on the grants products. Well, this would be a good time to save the 30% off on some of the products that go along with the grants items. So any of the detailing stuff that's going to be priced under 20 bucks, and even some of them that is priced right under the $10 mark. So non-members could capture those deals on some Supreme Shine by Meguiar's. And they even have different car washes too to choose from. So pretty good selection, and as well as a ceramic detailer by Meguiar's at 16 bucks. So very good options to use the 30% off on these consumable items. Next up is going to be another consumable item, and they have different options of the Bauer sandpaper that's priced right under that $20 mark, and it's for 50 discs of them. And I've actually used this sandpaper, and it's pretty decent for the money, especially if you save $6 on it and pick it up for 14 for the 50 pieces. They do have different grits of the 40, 60, 80, and even 220. So good options there to save the 30% off on. Next up, I'm going to cover some of the instant savings items that they have. And majority of the stores do allow this stack of the 30% off. And I have heard from some of you that it does not work at your store, but majority of the others it does. So I'm going to still cover the items that potentially could stack. And first up is going to be on the Grants shop towels, whether it's the red or the white ones. They're currently on instant savings price of 10 bucks, which is saving 33% on them. So you'd be able to save an additional 30% on it and pick them up for 7 bucks. The original retail price is $15. So it'd be an excellent deal on those shop towels. Now, the next item I know people are going to be running to the store to try to get, and I can't even show it to you because it's out of stock in my store right now. And that's on the Icon magnetic mat. It is currently on the instant savings of $19.99. So it is just under that $20 price. And if they have them in stock at your store, you would be able to pick it up for 14 bucks. Be an excellent deal on the Icon mat. If you get your hands on it, that'd be a good time to get it without a doubt. And normally my store has been pretty good at keeping them in stock, but recently, since it was on instant savings, it's now off the shelf. And the next popular item to go for on the 30% off is going to be on the US General Mini Toolbox. They have the different colors available, the purple, blue, green, red, gray, black. So different options there. And they are priced now at 20 bucks or the 19.99. So you would be able to pick it up for 14 bucks on that. So it'd be an excellent deal on the mini box. In case if you're wondering like, what the heck am I going to use a mini box for? Well, I did do a video that shows different uses of the mini box you could use it for, as well as many people commented on that video and mentioned what they do with it. So I will be sure to put a link to that video showing the different uses of the mini toolboxes. Be sure to check it out in case you need some ideas. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. And also be sure to comment below what you are going to be picking up with the 30% off deal and give people other ideas of what to go for. Now let's go to the next item. And in case you missed out on the parking lot sale recently where they had the 30% off on all Doyle products, this would be a good time to capture the 30% off on some of their hand tools that they have. And they have many different pliers that are still under the $20 mark. So for ITC members specifically would be able to save the 30% off on them. So they basically have the wide variety of the different V-jaw and groove joint pliers, all fall under the $20 mark. And they do have the one style of the water pump pliers that are under the $20 mark, which is going to be the 8-inch ones. So it's the mini versions of like the Cobras that they have by Knipex, whereas the other ones are 22 bucks and 25 bucks. And now let's take a look at the Icon hand tool options. And they basically eliminated majority of them now because they used to have many of them that were priced under the $20 mark. Now there's the exception of maybe 2 left that are still under the $20 mark. And the first one is going to be on the hose grip pliers. 8-inch ones are still priced at 20 bucks there. So you would be able to get the 30% off and pick them up for 14 bucks. And then the other option is on the Icon S-Jaw quick adjust pliers. It's the 12-inch ones. It's their smallest ones that they have. That's also priced at $19.99 and you'd be able to pick those up for 14. But again, everything else is priced right above the $20 mark. So they raised them to 22 bucks basically. I remember these specifically, the 9-inch adjustable ones were 19, as well as the slip joint pliers used to be 20 as well. and even the needle nose pliers were. And the diagonal cutters were also 20 bucks, which they are currently on an ITC deal at 18, but you cannot stack it with ITC deals. And other great options to go for, and I've heard from many of you guys that the Bremen, like C-clamps and other lockjaw pliers, are pretty good quality. And so it would be an excellent time to save the 30% off on these. And these are all basically priced under the $20 mark. And there's even a couple that are priced at right under the $10 mark. So they have the 5-inch curved jaw locking pliers that are 10 bucks. So non-members would be able to pick that up for $7. And then the same thing goes for the 6-inch C-clamp locking pliers. That's also priced at $9.99. So you'd be able to pick those up for $7. And the same thing goes for the Quinn brand of the different pliers and cutters are all priced under the $20 mark. And there's even some that are priced under the $10 mark. So non-members would still be able to save 30% off on some of these. And the next instant savings item to consider stacking the deal on is on a new gas can, whether it's the regular style 5-gallon one or even the 5-gallon diesel one. They are currently on instant savings price at $19.99. So you would be able to pick it up for 14 bucks. Be an excellent deal on a gas can because they are certainly expensive, especially at other stores. The original retail price on these are $22, so it'd be a good deal to pick them up for 14. And here would be an excellent deal to stack on instant savings, and it's on the 50 cal ammo can. It is the metal one. It is on instant savings price right now at $14. The original retail price is $20, so you would be able to pick it up for $9.80. It's gonna be an excellent deal on it. Now, this next item, I would say skip on the 30% off because it is currently on a dollar days coupon priced at $5, which is saving 37% on it. So definitely don't use the 30% off on this one. It is normally priced at $8. So definitely better deal to use the dollar days coupon on it. Next items to go for or to consider on the 30% off would be on the US General Large Ultra Grip Flexible Parts Tray, or the medium one, or even the small one for non-members. That's priced at $9. So you would be able to save 30% off on that one. And it would certainly be a handy item to organize different tools and parts while you're working on a vehicle or even other items. And the next good item to consider is on this Maddox 12-piece trim panel and scraper set. So all pieces come in a nice case that's a zippered case, and it's priced at 20 bucks. So you would be able to pick it up for $14. I mean, excellent deal on this set. And the next item or items to consider would be another consumable item, and it's by Rust-Oleum. They have different primers and paints for different automotive work. They even have caliper paint. And a lot of these do fall just under the $10 mark, so non-members would be able to save the 30% off on them. There are a few of them, like the high heat primer that goes up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit that it resists heat up to. That is priced at 11 bucks, but mostly everything else is priced under $10. And they even have truck bed coating as well. That's priced at 14, so it'd be another good idea to use the 30% off on. And the next item to go for, if your store has it in stock, is on the Daytona magnetic pinch weld adapter that goes right onto the pinch weld of your vehicle. It has a couple magnets there to stick right to the pinch weld, and then you're able to put your jack right under it. And it is rated at 8,000 pound maximum capacity. Its normal retail price is 15 bucks, and you would be able to pick it up for $10.50, which is saving an extra $1.50 from the current ITC deal of $11.99. Now, the next item you could no longer go for on the 30% off deal because they did increase the price from $19.99 to $21.99 on the Icon 4-piece hook and pick set. But they do have a current deal on the ITC members priced at $16, which is saving $6 on that, and it does come to 27% off on it. So it is a good deal on it right now currently. And it would be for ITC members anyways, because it was priced at $20 before anyway. So decent deal on it right now. And the ITC deal goes until July 2nd. And the next item to possibly go for, and this is on an instant savings deal right now, it's on the Pittsburgh half-inch drive extendable ratchet. It does extend from 12-inch to 18 inches, so you can have additional leverage. It does have 72 tooth and 5-degree arc swing with that comfort grip. So the instant savings price right now is at $19.99. And you would be able to pick that up for 14 bucks. The normal retail price on that is $23. So it'd be another excellent time to pick it up for 14 bucks and save that additional 30% off on it. And another instant savings item that they have is on the Warrior Recip saw blade set. It's a 15-piece set that has both 9-inch and 6-inch blades. It's good for cutting nail embedded wood as well as thin metal. So the instant savings price is $12.99, which is currently saving 13% on it. normally priced at $15. So with that 30% off, you'd be able to pick it up for $9.10. So it would be an excellent deal on it if you need some cheap recip saw blades. And if you do a lot of custom woodworking with like logs and other large lumber and do a lot of grinding and sanding, they do have these different options from Bauer. This one in particular is the 4-inch coarse carbide grit carving disc. It's good for grinding, shaping, and contouring wood, and it would fit most grinders with the 7/8 arbor. Here's the back of the package. This one retails at $20, so you would be able to pick it up for $14, which would be a good deal. And I was interested to know the reviews on it. It's rated 4.7 out of 5, and 97% of customers would recommend this item. So it might be a great deal to pick it up for $14, especially if it works good. And then here's another example. It's on the 4-inch steel wood shaping disc. It's like a heavy duty cheese grater to it, and you see the contour of it. So again, it fits a 7/8 arbor for grinders. This retails at $17.99, so it still fall under that $20 price. And another option they have is the 4-inch 6 carbide tooth carving disc. You can grind, shape, and contour wood with that as well, and that's also priced at $17. And the next item or items is something I actually like to pick up during the 30% off deal, and that's on a Bremen clamp. So they have different sizes that are still under the $20 mark. So for example, they have the 24-inch one priced at $13, they have the 12-inch one priced at $10, then they have the 6-inch one priced at $9. So still, those all fall under the $20 mark. It'd be a great opportunity to save 30% off on them. They are a decent quality clamp for the money without a doubt, and they offer 375 pounds of clamping force. So it is a good opportunity to save the 30% off on it. And I know many of you have commented on my videos before recommending the Bremen clamps and just how good they are. Again, here's another item if you do a lot of woodworking, in particular using a router. They do have many of these Hercules router bits it even fall under the $10 mark, so it would be good for non-ITC members to capture the 30% off on these and pick up many of them for only $7. So it'd be a good deal. There are some of them that are priced above the $10 mark, but any chance to be able to save on any kind of bits like this would be a good opportunity too, because again, this is another item that we don't see go on deals very often, with the exception of the Bauer brand, which there are some Bauer brand options. So they have the 4 decorative router bit set that's $17.99, as well as a 5 straight router bit set that's also $18, as well as a 4-piece set of the roundover router bit set. But I have heard from some of you guys that their Bauer router bits aren't that great. And the next category of items to consider using the 30% off on is on the different electrical items that they have, like the terminal connector sets, as well as solderless terminal kits, heat shrink terminal kits. So again, even some of these are priced under the $10 mark. So some of the non-ITC members could go for those type of items. And then there's some that are priced above the $10 mark. So great options there. And again, it's more items that we don't see deals on very often. And a couple other instant savings items would be able to go for to stack on. And even for non-ITC members, they do have this Braun 800 lumen tactical flashlight. It does use 4 of the AAA batteries, runs up to 6 hours of runtime, has spot and floodlight modes, and it's water resistant with IP44 rating. And this is priced at $9 right now on the instant savings, which is saving 25% on that. So it'd be an excellent deal to save an additional 30% on that one. And then the next Braun option, this would be for ITC members. It's on the Braun 400 lumen rechargeable pen light with a UV light. So this would be great for inspecting vehicles for leaks. It's got the light there on the side, as well as another light on the top part of the light. And this also offers a runtime up to 6 hours and a range of up to 160 feet. It has variable light modes of high, low, and then the UV mode. And then here's the back of the package, and it does include the USB-C cord to be able to charge it up. So this will be another good deal to go for, because this is on the instant savings priced at $20, which is currently saving 20% on it. So you would be able to pick this up for $14. Be an excellent deal. You're basically saving $11 on it. In the next category of items to go for, and I've recommended this in the past as well, but it'd still be a great deal, especially for non-ITC members, because many of these are priced under the $10 mark. And it's all these different consumable items between screws and springs and wall anchors and bolts, nuts. They even have hitch pin assortment, universal clevis pin assortment, cotter pin assortment. So many great options there to use the 30% off on, especially when we don't see deals on this very often. With the exception, there might be a dollar days deal on something here and there or super coupon, but it is very rare. Another thing they also have, in case you picked up a Doyle hand riveter recently during that parking lot sale, they do have the aluminum rivet assortment, as well as other assortments as well that are all priced under the 20 bucks. There's two of them that are priced under the $10 mark, so non-members would be able to save the 30% off on that. And then there's the one 90-piece rivet assortment that is priced at 15 bucks. So if you happen to miss out on the Doyle deal during the parking lot sale, they do have other hand riveters available. So they do have the Quinn option, 8-inch one that's priced at 17, and they even have a Pittsburgh option, it's a 17.5-inch one, and it has a collection bottle, and that's priced right at 20 bucks. So you would be able to pick that up for 14. And they even have some tool bag options that fall under the $20 price. For example, they have this Hercules 16-inch one that's priced at $16.99. So you would be able to save the 30% off on that one. And then they also have a Bauer 16-inch tool bag. That one's priced at $14.99. So a couple good options there to save 30% off on. And then they also have cheaper versions of the Voyager tool bags that fall under the $10 mark. So non-ITC members, you could go for these and save 30% off on different options from Voyager. All right, that's going to be the top items I'm going to go over in this video to consider for the 30% off sale. Now, like I mentioned, be sure to comment below and mention what you're going to plan on picking up with the deals. And if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing and even sharing the video with your buddies. I really do appreciate that support, and I'll see you in the next one.